This is your guide to the control panel in the motorhome. The most important button is the lights. This button enables the use of the individual light switches and the television around the motorhome. The orange icon in the centre shows that we're currently connected to the electric hookup. The top button on the left hand side is the water pump. This enables use of the taps in the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink, the flushing toilet and the shower. Leave these on once you're pitched up. The next button is the awning light. This is outside the door of the motorhome and enables safe use of the door in the dark. The bottom button on the left hand side shows the internal temperature of the motorhome. So as you can see, we're currently enjoying a rather warm 25 degrees centigrade. The top button on the right hand side, the first press shows the current level of capacity of the freshwater tank. As you can see, we're currently at 66% capacity. A second press will show the current level of capacity of the grey water waste tank, currently at 33%. The following two buttons will show the current level of charge of the leisure battery and the engine battery, respectively. And then to power down the unit, we simply press and hold the bottom button on the right hand side.